This is how you make Thai chicken salad in a rice cooker. Up. So we have chicken stock today. Timplahan lang natin ng salt para mas masarap siya. So yung setting natin ngayon, naka-soup or slow cook. Close natin ulit. Purple cabbage, romaine lettuce, cherry tomatoes, red onion, cucumber, carrots, roasted walnuts, and shredded chicken. So, arrange natin nicely in a bowl. Pag na-arrange na natin, tsaka natin lagay yung dressing. So, for the dressing, paghalo-haloin lang natin lahat ng ingredients. So, let's start with Thai fish sauce. Lime juice, sinama na namin yung cheese. Brown sugar. Mix lang natin hanggang matunaw yung brown sugar. So, test muna natin yung dressing kung okay na. Sarap! Oh, G! Kain na! On! Alam ko, nag-gym ka eh. Joke sa'yo yan, pare.
Sarap!
Bruh.
Revelation tong araw na to ha.
Chef.
Trade na naman.